Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the beautiful Las Vegas Strip on a beautiful Las Vegas evening. We're going to check out Harrah's Hotel and Casino tonight. Harrah's is formerly known as Holiday Casino, and it's owned by VC Properties and operated by Caesars Entertainment. It has over 1,200 slot machines. Not a lot in the grand scheme of things and compared to other hotels and casinos around here, but hey, how many slot machines can you play at once? The hotel consists of two towers, the Mountain Tower and the Valley Tower. There's a total of 2,540 rooms, and the taller tower is the Valley, which has 35 stories. The Las Vegas monorail stops here at the Harrah's and Link station at the rear of the property. Maybe we'll get into a couple more stats later in the video, but I haven't been here in a while, so let's check this place out. For those of you not familiar with where Harrah's is situated on the Las Vegas Strip, it's a little bit north of Center Strip. It's between the Link and the Venetian Hotel and Casino. I'll be in Las Vegas in a couple of weeks staying at the Venetian, so I'll be passing this place quite frequently, and I guess I'll visit it more often.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Anytime I feature a Harrah's Hotel and Casino on the New York channel, I can't help point out that they're pretty much everywhere. I, of course, visited this one here in Las Vegas several times, as well as the one in Atlantic City, and the one right along the Mississippi River in New Orleans. All those videos are available here on the New York channel. By the way, we just passed that Cake ATM and this pizzeria, and they're both part of Pizza Cake by Buddy V here at Harrah's. Coming up next is the Harrah's Piano Bar, and it's pretty much legendary here on the Las Vegas Strip for its rowdy and loud crowds. If you're all about having outrageous, non-stop fun on the Strip, the Piano Bar at Harrah's Las Vegas delivers just that. Located right at the casino exit, just steps away from the action-packed Carnival Court, the Piano Bar offers a full slate of live interactive shows including dueling pianos and Rusty's All-Star Las Vegas Karaoke. I'm one for karaoke. And then of course there's the Piano Bar's famous Big Elvis. Not to be confused with Scooter Elvis, who shows up at the end of my videos every once in a while. Alright, we're going to walk a little bit further, make a right, and then you have Harrah's Sportsbook. This is Harrah's Oyster Bar and Grill. High quality fresh steamers, shrimp, lobster, crab, clam chowder, and calamari are served up by the friendly chefs here at Harrah's Oyster Bar. All the oysters here are shucked to order, and you can have them on the half shell, grilled, or Rockefeller style. Some of the shops here at Harrah's include Jackpot, City Life, Destinations, Gift Plus, Essentials Wine and Spirits, Harrah's Pool Store, Higuchi Gallery, Landau, Marcel Rousseau, the Toby Keith Store, and Vegas Photo. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This is the Fulton Street Food Hall, and it's kind of like a buffet, but it's kind of like a la carte buffet where you can order things separately. There's different stations, including Fulton Cafe, Sandwich Soup Salad Station, Coffee Station, Burger Taco Breakfast Live Station, Pizza Station, Noodle Bar, and a regular bar. Harrah's makes it clear on their website that this is not a food court, but a chef-driven marketplace offering various selections made fresh throughout the day. Whatever you're craving, you'll find it here. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And that's pretty much it tonight for Harrah's. You don't hear too much about this place, considering that it's surrounded by other more iconic places on the Las Vegas Strip. But if you're walking by one night, just stop in, especially if you're hungry, because there's lots of good places to eat here, and just check Harrah's out.
You're a douchebag, old man.
There he goes, my hero, and I hope I meet him in the next couple of weeks when I'm back out there again.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.